Hey there bakers, today I'm showing you how to make one of my favorite cookie recipes, Russian tea cakes. Hey there, if you're new, my name is Heather and I am the cookbook author and recipe developer at bostongirlbakes.com, where I love teaching others just how easy baking from scratch can be. And today I'm showing you one of my personal favorite cookie recipes that I grew up enjoying and eating, that my grandmother always made. My dad and I would fight over these cookies on the cookie platter. These Russian tea cake cookies are just always something I have to make every holiday, and I hope after one bite you also feel the same way. Now you might know them as another name. They have so many names: Mexican wedding cookies, Snowball cookies, because of course they're rolled in powdered sugar, so they have that snowball look to them. But whatever you call them, I just hope you love them as much as I do. They're buttery, delicious. We are adding in some toasted pecans, which is a classic addition, but really you could add in walnuts, you could add in like mini chocolate chips, but of course pecans is classic. So let's not waste another second. Let's make one of my favorite cookies. Let's make these Russian tea cakes. To start, you're going to be combining 2 sticks of softened, unsalted butter. You want to make sure they're at room temperature so they cream together well. Add in your powdered sugar, or otherwise known as confectioners sugar, and then we're going to add in a little bit of vanilla extract for some flavor. And then you're just go ahead and cream this all together until it's nice, light, and fluffy. You can do this in your stand mixer, or you can just use a hand mixer as I'm doing here. And then once that's all combined, you're going to stir in the rest of your ingredients. Some all-purpose flour, a little bit of salt to help balance out the sweetness, and then I add in toasted pecans. Now I like to toast them first to help bring out the flavor of the pecans, but make sure they are cool before you add them to your cookie dough or they will melt the butter. And simply beat that all to combine. It's going to form this soft, crumbly dough. And then all you need to do is use a small cookie scoop, or you could use 2 spoons, and go ahead and scoop and roll your cookies and place them onto a parchment lined baking sheet. And then that's all they need to do, is to go into the oven to bake. Now, once they are baked, this is where the magic really happens. I roll these in powdered sugar. I like to roll them twice in powdered sugar, so as soon as they come out of the oven, I'll roll them in powdered sugar immediately. They'll be warm and the powdered sugar will stick to the cookies, and then I let them cool again, and I will roll them in powdered sugar one more time so they are perfectly coated in powdered sugar. And that's just how wonderfully simple these cookies are. Of course, you could always replace the pecans, but I absolutely love the pecans. I think they're just a classic flavor, and that's how to make these super simple Russian tea cakes. So there you go. I hope you love this recipe as much as I do. Like I said, it's near and dear to my heart, so I'd love to hear from you in the comment section below if you've made these. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss another baking tutorial again. And until next time, happy baking.